Are you ready to take your financial planning to the next level with a low-cost, low-maintenance solution? Do you want to incorporate predictive analytics into your business processes and improve decision-making? Is having a cloud solution that offers web, mobile, and Microsoft Excel client access important to you? If so, QueBIT Planning is a solution for you. QueBIT Planning offers an intuitive user experience with seamless integration of traditional and predictive analytics, along with connectivity to third-party data sources, including NetSuite. Our pre-built, customizable applications are based on best practices and can easily be modified to meet your unique business needs. QueBIT Planning also includes all the models you need for core planning processes, like revenue, expenses, and workforce planning. Its revenue modeling capabilities are enhanced with predictive demand forecasting and assortment planning. Since there's no hardware to buy or maintain, there are no overhead costs that come with owning an on-premise application. Plus, it's fast, easy, and inexpensive to implement. QueBIT also manages and maintains the solution for you, so there's no need to hire or train a technical administrator. By adopting the same solutions and benefits leveraged by Fortune 1000 companies, our customers can gain a competitive edge. Find out how QueBIT Planning can benefit your business. Contact us today at info@qubit.com.